Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now with focused, simple actions. Blink slowly and fully for 10-20 seconds to refresh the tear film. This immediately reduces surface blur. Once done, lower your screen brightness to match ambient light so glare does not force squinting. Then schedule the 20/20/20 micro breaks. Every 20 minutes, look at an object about 20 feet away for 20 seconds to relax accommodation. These steps relieve strain quickly and create a baseline for lasting improvement. Now move into deeper relief to restore comfortable focus. Cup warm hands over closed eyes for 30-60 seconds. The gentle darkness and heat relax ocular muscles and reduce tension. Next, do 10 slow eye rolls each way. This mobilizes the ciliary muscles and eases stiffness. Then practice near-far focus. Hold a near object at about 6 inches, then shift gaze to something 6 meters away. Repeat 10 times. These exercises retrain focusing systems and improve functional clarity when done consistently. Finish by locking in gains. Drink water and apply preservative-free artificial tears if your eyes still feel dry. Hydration supports tear quality. Make sure to limit any single screen session to 45-60 minutes with breaks and set reminders so you don't slip back into long, uninterrupted focus. If you notice sudden changes, sharp pain, double vision, flashes, curtain-like loss, stop and seek immediate professional care. One troubleshooting tip: if exercises make symptoms worse, pause and consult an eye specialist before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.